Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we are making shrimp salad. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. So the first thing we're going to do is peel our shrimp. It's already deveined, but we're going to peel it. And then I have a pot of water with Old Bay in it. And you're just going to cook that for about a minute and a half. After it comes out, I'm going to put a bag of ice on it to stop it from cooking. While we're doing that, I'm going to make the sauce. So I have some mayo, some yellow mustard, some rice vinegar, some paprika, some Old Bay, some garlic powder, and some dried basil. And last but not least, some Sriracha. As you can see, I use that Sriracha a lot. So it's on this last little bit of drop. But after that, we're going to mix all the ingredients together. Should be like a pinkish color for the mix. Now, this is not your average shrimp salad. You know, we're trying to do something a little bit different. I have some imitation crab meat that I cut up with some tomatoes, some bell peppers, and some onions. After the shrimp is cooled, we're going to add the imitation crab meat, the onions, the peppers, and the tomatoes to the bowl. You don't want to put too much mixture in there because you don't want it to be too wet, too much mayo. You know, you want it to be able to have enough mayo just to bind everything together. And make sure that you check down below in the description box because I will have the full recipe and everything I use down there. So this is what it looks like after we have mixed it all up. If you let this sit overnight, tomorrow, it's gonna taste delish. All those flavors and everything are gonna marry together. But if you have to eat it now, you can. But I'm just gonna put this on some romaine lettuce leaves. And I'm just going to eat this like that, you know, because we're trying to be healthy. Got to get that summer body ready. So you can eat this as lettuce wraps, or you can put it in between some bread, or of course you can just eat it straight out of the bowl, however you like. But that is the end of this video, guys. A simple recipe. Make sure to check the description box below. Make sure to share this video. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.